Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to East Selkirk, Manitoba. This quiet community sits just across the Red River from the city of Selkirk, about 35 kilometers north of Winnipeg. East Selkirk is part of the rural municipality of St. Clements and has a peaceful, small-town feel surrounded by open fields, forested areas, and winding roads. The Red River has always played an important part in the area's history, once used by Indigenous peoples, fur traders, and settlers as a travel route and source of food. In the late 1800s, East Selkirk grew as people moved to the region to farm the rich land and build homes along the river. For many years, a ferry carried people across the water, and today, a bridge connects East Selkirk to the city. It's a great place for fishing, boating, and enjoying country life close to the water. With its mix of farmland, river views, and nearby parks, East Selkirk is a lovely corner of Manitoba. Thank you for joining us on this tour of East Selkirk, Manitoba. Thanks for watching.